Hi guys, today we are going to learn about array destructuring in JavaScript. In simple words, array destructuring lets you pick and choose specific elements from an array and give them names as separate variables. Let's understand it using some code. So here we have an array named myArray and we have stored integers 1, 2 and 3 in it. Now I am going to assign the values in the array to these three variables respectively. It will get the values from my array. Let's see how our basic destructuring of the array works. Okay, so now let's try something different using this concept of destructuring. I'm now going to swap values of both these variables. So I want it to assign variable a and b, the values of variable b and a, respectively. Okay, so we did it. Finally, let's see what we should do if we want to ignore some of the values while assigning them. I'm simply leaving empty space between the commas wherever I intend to skip the value. That's all for today. I hope you have some basic concepts of array destructuring now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.